Okay, guys, let's talk about Manchester United. I don't understand, guys. You want to sign Jackson, like the Jackson one, like, nah, you gotta be serious. I signed Darwin Nunes and it was bad, but he's the best. I signed Darwin Nunes back then with big money, but he was the best, but he didn't score. So you telling me, out of these best strikers in the world, you want to sign Jackson? I can even destroy Jackson myself. I can even take the shirt number of Jackson and score more goals than him. I don't understand how you Manchester United. I think the Manchester United management needs to be fired. Everyone in the Manchester United management needs to be fired, and you need to sell the team, and the team needs to be reprogrammed into a new version. Because this one, no, guys, no, you even have to sell the owner itself. Because wow, wow.